What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the installation of this mirror cover right here. Now this is a carbon fiber trim. As you can see, now this is made specifically the Mark X. So if you have a Mark X or any of those vehicles, this is one of the great choice carbon fiber mirror cover that you can pick up. Now I have a link for this in the description if you guys want interested in picking up this. So this is how it looks, and it's looking pretty neat. You can see from the inside. So we have two of them. This wing looking cover. Also in the package we have these M tapes which we are going to use to put them on. So let's go. Alright guys, so what you're going to do right now, we are going to install these on the mirror. So making sure that this is well clean, as you can see right here. So we're gonna use some of these M tapes to install it. Tape, it looks something like this. So just peel it off, and you can paste it inside of the mirror. So I prefer to paste it like inside on these edges. So that's where I'm going to put these, so that it can easily stuck onto the glass right there. So I'm gonna trim it up right now and show you guys. So as you guys can see inside right there, I line it up with M3 tapes. Gonna peel off this part first. I'm gonna install them on the mirror. Now please ensure that you have a scissors to cut this. Now I did forget to bring a scissors to cut this, that's why it's looking like that, but I'm gonna try to install this just the same. That's how it's looking inside. You can see those tapes on it. Now this one is for what? This one is for the left side. So place it over. Now this one, you can see that it have a section right here that leave out the glass. Install it. And now I'm gonna force it on right here. As you can see guys, it now installed right there. It's kind of bit difficult to install it while recording. So I'm just showing you guys the extra process, but that's how it look right on there. You can see we have a light here where indicate of light, so we don't have to worry much about that. And it's looking neat so far. I'm going to install this one as well and let you guys see. Guys, like this one right now, and I'm going to install it right now on this one right here. Let you guys see. As you can see guys, this one is now installed as well, and that's how it looking really neat. I'm going to show you guys a further shot, let you guys see both of them and how them looking. So as you can see guys, that's how them looking so far. Looking really neat. Give it that, you know, aggressive look, as you guys can see both on them right now. And that's the installation of these mirror right here. Very easy, and hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this.